Welcome to my YouTube channel where you learn entrepreneurship, social media marketing, and how to be your own boss. Yes, before I continue, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification. Starting your own business is one of the biggest dreams of our time. Now, the desire of becoming an entrepreneur is extremely common. Putting the plans to actions require many things. Most importantly, a really great idea. Now, it's important for you to understand this. Like, there is no shortcut that will transform you to become a rich and successful entrepreneur overnight. Get the facts straight. Entrepreneurship is not for the emotional people, okay? What I'm trying to say is that entrepreneurship is not for people who can't accept failure in life, those who do not understand that failure is part of the process of becoming successful. You have to master the art of not giving up, even when you are in pain, you're depressed, and you're frustrated. You have to keep on pushing while putting in hard work. Okay, that alone will lead to your success as an entrepreneur. I'll be defining what an entrepreneur is and what's an entrepreneurship. I'll be using my book, and yeah, an entrepreneur is a person who sees the need to take a financial risk, organizes, manages a business or enterprise, as well as see potentials in opportunities where most people don't. While an entrepreneurship is a process of running, designing, and launching a business. So it is okay if I say entrepreneurs are the organizers, while entrepreneurship is an organization. How to become a successful entrepreneur? One, you have to put in the work, challenge yourself, because if you don't, no one will push you to do that. Let me give you this example. Let's say you are at the gym to build this perfect body, and you start by doing 15 push-ups. It feels really painful at first, but when you continue to do the push-up, it becomes easier. Now, will you want to give up at that point? Obviously no. Once you challenge yourself more in doing 20-25 push-up, now going back to the 15 push-up will be more easier to do. As an entrepreneur, you should be ready to learn always and looking forward to the next challenge. Now, before you start putting in the work, you have to ask yourself this question. It's an honest question. You have to answer it, and you have to ask yourself, why do you want to become an entrepreneur? Now, if your answer is focused or centered around you wanting more money, you not liking your boss, or you wanting more time for yourself, you have to quit that dream of becoming an entrepreneur. Now, until you're able to figure out the why, and you're able to write down clearly your vision, your mission, and make more research on whatever idea you have, because that alone is all you need to give you the inner strength to handle obstacles as an entrepreneur. The truth is, every great journey comes with an obstacle. Now, the number 2 of how to become a successful entrepreneur, you have to be passionate. As an entrepreneur, if you're not passionate about what you do and you can give in hours for your business, or you can make sacrifices for your business, then it becomes a problem because it starts to tell on your business. Have you ever noticed entrepreneurs that are always happy? They never seem tired. Even when they are going through some phases in life, they always put in this expression of happiness in them and never stop talking about their business. Oh yes. Now that is what I call passion. Are you passionate about what you're doing right now, or are you passionate about what you're about to start doing? Then if your answer is yes, kudos to you, because you're on the right path to become a successful entrepreneur. Trusting oneself is another major key of becoming a successful entrepreneur. If you don't trust yourself, who will? Now, you have to learn how to trust your own wisdom, especially when making decisions. Now, when you trust and believe in yourself, you become confident, and people will likely follow a confident leader. The last step is exceed expectations. This is one important thing all entrepreneurs should have in mind. Now, when you exceed customers' expectation, you sure have a satisfied customers, investors, and business partners, as long as you deliver as promised. Now, I'll take a recap. How to become a successful entrepreneur. 1. You must learn how to put in the work by challenging yourself. You must learn how to make research and have a clear written vision and mission statement. You must have passion for whatever thing or business you're into. You must learn how to trust yourself, and then you must learn how to exceed expectations. If you have those 5 things, then trust me, you're on the right path to become a successful entrepreneur. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and turn on your notification. I'll see you again next time. Bye.